Okay, hello everyone. My name is SOMONY. Welcome back studying English grammars with me. Okay, everyone, please let's go to my slides. And today, and today we study continuous past simple. Okay, and everyone, I reviews for you related forms of past simple, and everyone, you see, right? And form past simple and subject plus verb past simple and blah 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 blah. Right? This is a form of past simple, and right now, I want you see the diagrams of the past simple, and to be easy to understand understand the using of the past simple, right? This is okay. Okay, I show you the related diagrams of past simple, right? Okay, you can see, right, this. Okay, everyone, this is diagrams of a past simple, right? Past simple, what is past simple? Past simple uh, is to indicate that an activity, activity or situation begins and ended, ended at particular times in the past. And everyone, you can see, right, this is activity, right? Activities are past simple this here, right? Here. Okay, everyone, this here today, right? Today. Okay, this is today, right? This point to is happen today, and future. And so right now everyone can see activities are past simple here. Okay, here, right? Here past simple, activities or situation began, right, or happens in here. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone, and you can use of past simple, right? I explain you related to the use of past simple. Okay, first point, everyone, you can, you can see this is point, the first point to express an action that happens at definite times in the past. Related to definite time, clear time, right? Clear time or activity or situation in the past. Okay, you can see example, right? Related to, this here example, Columbus discovers Americans in 1492, right? Okay, related to, time, definite time. Okay, you can see 14, 1492, 1492 related to it. Okay, right now Columbus, Columbus discovers Americans in 1492. Okay, continue everyone. Second point to express actions which happens in a sequence in the past. Okay, you can see, you can see example, right? I think everyone, when you see example, you understand clearly about the using of past simple. Okay, an example: I came home, picked up my mail, and left. Okay, related to, action happened in sequence in the past. Okay, this here, right? Okay, continue, and everyone, past simple use with time expression, right? Time expression right now you can see time expression including yesterday, last night, last week, last month, last year. Okay, um, la Wednesday, hours day, weeks, months, years ago, and in 2004. right? This is time expression. Okay, time expression very important, right? Sometimes we understand the past simple and you just see time expression, right? Time expression, and it means you just identify related to time expression, right? You understand clearly it's about past simple. Okay, you can see example. I saw a great movie last night. Okay, everyone, I saw a great movie last night. Okay, related to time expression, you can see time expression last night. Last night is a time expression, right? Okay, okay. Thank you so much, everyone. This I finished my slide today, and see you again next slide, right? Relate to past simple, and especially I explain you relate to uh, adverb of time like when, while, before, after, and so on. Okay, see you again next slide. Thank you so much, everyone.